This is how quiet it is on quiet mode. So great. Still not even that loud. Holy f***.
Get out of here.
I'm just,
Oh!
yeah. Well, while your computer starts, we can chat. How much you enjoy our dyno side chats. I like your balloons or umbrellas. Background, it's beautiful.
Just comes on there.
So, stage 4, Z06, head scan, ammo, VRAM, headers. Good power first pull. A little lean. Wideband came out. I just put it back in. Just tack signals coming out. We'll fix that. We'll get a clean pull, but very, very good power first pull. Killer torque. Really good. Might be a strong one. Holy f***. 664, 568 torque. Damn. Woo!
This thing dyno high baseline?
470, something like that. Pretty
Was it
normal.
stock?
Yeah, just the wheels, which I'm guessing are lighter, which probably
Did it
helps.
have wheels on it?
Yeah, Uzis. That's.
Didn't have an air intake or anything on it?
I don't believe so. No. No.
We did a VRAM, we did headers. So
Yeah, it was stock.
yeah.
I mean, pretty normal baseline, but that's amazing.
It is. That's good.
Very good. Is this 07? Wait.
I don't know, flashing, I'll tell you. I don't think it's
07. I can see it on the dyno.
I was gonna say give me 2 seconds, I'll check, but
Pretty damn killer. Damn.
yeah.
You're not even done.
Yeah, 07. Yeah, no. It'll pick up some more, I think.
Wow. It's definitely the highest torque by a long shot.
It's highest power too.
I know.
Highest everything.
That's awesome. Hey Bill, you got a new record.
What?
You got a new record.
Record.
Record, both. Horsepower and torque. Sometimes.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wow. 07 car?
Yeah.
The AI heads, right?
Yep. AI boys. Damn.
Are they AIs?
Yeah, they are.
It's good.
That's very good. It's so funny because it's like impossible to tell which one's gonna be. So when we baseline this, we baseline 5 cars in the same day. This is one of the 3 C6Es we did. Okay, so this C6E actually baselined lower than the other 2 that we did that day too.
Yeah.
So that debunks their dyno retime.
Yeah. It's a cool day too.
It's a nice day.
Yeah.
60 something out right now. Low breeze, low humidity. Just rained yesterday, so hell yeah.
See if we can hit 670.
It's that extra lube I squeezed on the cam is what it is.
Yeah, probably.
That's what it was.
Now. Oh God. What the f? Now I'm gonna have to clean the floor.
Dude, that's how you get the extra horsepower. Extra lube.
Yeah, if you didn't know, the extra horsepower apparently comes from Steve.
Yeah, it spins faster. Tack signal just dipped out there, so it's not a big deal. We can fix that on the next pull, but damn. Woo! And this is for you, oh my god, they use SAE, 561 torque, 655 wheel. Yeah. Hell yeah. It's going to be probably the biggest gain too. We're actually right at 200, I think. So 471 and 671, yeah.
That's pretty sick.
200 wheel gain. Which we've done, but
yeah. That's pretty sick.
There you go.
It's always a random, and it's got a Veraram.
Versus the Haltech.
And American Racing.
Yeah.
All the other ones had
Cook's Haltech.
Cooks and Haltech, yeah.
Yeah, which we've said before, if you watched it the first time, the Haltech seems to dyno better, but the Veraram, the way it's designed to scoop and flow air right into it, works way better on the track. Just typically we see...
Or street.
Yeah, street.
While you're moving.
Yes. While you're moving, it's getting more and more air. Whereas the Haltech's more like an open side, which dynos a little better. Not much. I mean, a couple horsepower.
We've never tested, so we have no idea.
Yeah. I'm just going off of the 200 something normally. Oh, this dethroned it.
Did it? Full normal stage 4.
Yeah.
Has the record.
Yeah. Sure does. And I'm sure the lightweight wheels help a little bit, but
I don't know if they help that much.
not that much. I mean, considering the baseline where it was, yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
that's awesome. Yeah, because another one we did had carbon.
And are these
brakes.
wheels really that light?
They're pretty damn light.
Okay. Are they like nice? I would think the HREs would be lighter than these. Not,
So
I mean,
HRE are forged, but these are mono, like they're sort of one
okay.
piece, so
that's how my Forge lines were.
Yeah.
Monoblock.
yeah. I'd have to look up these.
That's a 3-piece, and this is a monoblock. These are definitely lighter.
Yeah, I think so too.
There's like one spot, it's like real scratchy.
Yup.
That's probably what the squeaky noise is. So Eric has the clutch done on this. Now he's starting on the heads cam. If you remember, this is the one that had the kind of belt squealy noise. Customer replaced the belt. We checked over a bunch of other stuff. Everything else looks good, idler, all that good stuff. But we're thinking it's most likely the water pump. It has like a really rough spot, and it doesn't spin very easily. Let me go show you a different one. It definitely spins easier, but
Missing bolts in the fan. Every time I take something apart, it's missing bolts.
well, I mean, you said it was taken apart before.
Yeah, I knew it, man. I knew it. Yeah, these aren't attached. The bolt's missing in the back of the head here. Look. I didn't even take that off yet. I don't know if you even need some light to get that.
Yeah, I can see it. You're talking about the little
Yeah.
connection.
Little strap that goes in the back of the head.
Yep. Like someone put it back together, it was just lazy.
Yep. Well, like I said, all the bell housing bolts that are most difficult to get to were not there. 3 of them.
Someone lazy, man. Like the one on the very top that you got to get
The
extensions
2 on the
to?
top, and then the 1 on the side were the up top over here.
Okay. Well, we'll make sure it's done right.
Yeah. I already put new bolts back in the bell housing. That's already back together.
Yeah. Obviously, since the collection, I helped you bleed it, so figured.
Aftermarket water pump gaskets. Squeak's definitely not in the engine because I took the belt off and the squeak went away. So it has to be something that serpentine belt rides on.
Yeah.
It's certainly not power steering. Tensioner's been replaced. Idler's fine. Like I said, the water pump feels like it has a little resistance to it, so it just doesn't feel right.
Yeah, I went and spun the other one. The other one you can spin with like one finger. That one you gotta like go like this.
Exactly. I dropped the clip down there, and I went down to grab the clip, and I noticed that there's literally all the bottom bolts on the bumper are missing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, people take these cars apart and they don't know what they're doing, or they're just, like you said, lazy and don't feel like putting it back together the right way. And we don't do that shit.
You don't need 2 clips here, 4 clips there, a couple bolts there.
Oh yeah, that's enough.
That's fine. That'll hold.
What is it, Jerry Janosic?
Well, that's the furniture store.
That's Johnny Janosic.
Greg Jarrety or something was the garage that.
Nah, Jerry Janostics.
Alright, whatever. It's another reason why you want to take these cars to someone that deals with them a lot like we do. I'm sure your local mechanic can do basic stuff, but if he doesn't deal with these every single day like we do, probably not your ideal place to go take something. And even the dealer could have been under warranty. Dealer could have done it. You know how half of those guys are at dealerships.
I mean, it's literally missing every bolt. Looking down, there's a bolt missing there.
Yeah.
That's sad, man. Hate to see that, but hoping the crank pulley's tight. Looks good.
Oh, you gotta take shit off anyways through the cam, so it is horrid.
Yes, it is.
It's an understatement. Sometimes I thought it was raining upside down.
A little bit of stinging rain and big old fat rain. Rain that flew in sideways, and sometimes rain even seemed to come straight up from underneath.
Great movie.
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Is it? I didn't know that.
Yep.
It's cool.
Certainly is.
That spot where he sits at the bench, I was actually
Savannah.
in Savannah. I was actually there and I went to visit it.
Stock cam.
Damn, that's crazy.
But dude, look how like fresh everything is. Oil pump's brand new.
Good old B3. Good job. You should really lube it on there.
You enjoy this part.
Oh, you got to see today's episode. It's the sledgehammer.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
You should have legitimate like taped it to the forklift and jammed it into the fucking thing.
I could do that next time. Jousted into the engine block.
Yeah, remember that guy like sent a fucking picture or something?
I could do that. Damn, the one-handed reach around.
Oh! Gotta do what you gotta do. Huh?
That thing had a stock cam, Bill. Oh, you're just
112 for a VTs.
This is much more gentle than my method.
Where's the hammer?
The freaking cam bearings flew out of the back of the block.
Yeah. Gentle.
I like the jackhammer method, please.
Then when you're done, it should spin nice and freely like that.
Eric also goes gloveless.
Yeah, moisturize my hands.
That's what it is. Lewis's car back on the dyno. Good to see. Only really engine change, just can. What else do we do? Like an oil pump and
Oil pan.
pan and pump.
Fuel pump.
And then the trans stuff, really.
And then the trans, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it.
So if you guys are watching for the first time, this is Lewis's car. Check out this video for the full build, kind of old video. But he had some trouble with transmissions, and in particular, mainly third gear.
Just can't hold the torque that the car makes. I mean, it's so...
He's broken a couple. Now we've upgraded the gear set to the PPG gearing. But the main goal is obviously to power down reliably in this trans drivetrain. But I'm sure he wouldn't be upset with a little bit more power as well.
It should hopefully make a little more power.
Yeah. Something on only 13 pounds so far.
That was on wastegate. That's as low as it can go.
Yeah. Tack was kind of messing up there, but the 915, obviously the first bowl was short. I'll fix the tack. Horsepower's right though. We also did little things like turbo blankets and like just little things around the car, not really like newsworthy, but while we were working on it.
Yeah, I want to see how much heat this thing does.
Turning up the boost a little bit. It's at 31, 89. Tack's still having a little issue. Swap it to a different. Slowly.
Yeah, just seeing what it likes and stuff.
Let's go from there.
Yeah.
Do you remember how much boost we had last time, the max?
I think the max we ever were on was like 25,
Really that much?
24,
Okay.
something like that. That was when it made like 1200 or whatever, but it was like we couldn't really get it to hook. It was spinning, remember?
Yeah, that's true.
But I mean, 1,040 on basically 16 pounds. It just touches 17 at the very top at like 6,900.
So about 100.
3.5 pounds.
Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty efficient.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still 30 something per pound.
Yeah. Good. 5 more.
Yeah. We'll get there.
So this is how quiet it is on quiet mode. So great. Still not even that loud. Alright, a little better graph now. Small dip there, that's not a big deal. 1097, 955. Okay. Per pound, 1134, 1037. What's that graph? Oh, yeah. Texan Louis. 1134, 21 pounds.
Yeah, not even. It shows 21 out there, but 20.3 was peaking here.
Nice.
And that was at 6,600. So,
That's pretty damn good.
yeah. Everything looks good so far.
Good.
I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute, but
Enough of the back-to-back goals, really.
yeah, I probably made 9 pulls in 10, 15 minutes probably.
Yeah, easily. Check back. Well, that's a little bit more than we showed it made before. So we only showed 1186 before.
Yeah, it's on just touched 22 pounds right there. I'm playing with the boost control. I'm trying to get it to make more.
Okay.
I was commanding like 25 and it just didn't make it. And that was 22, it just touched 22 at 6,700, like very, very tippy. 'Cause I'm trying to like semi keep the torque down.
Yeah.
Because it's at 1113 right now. I mean, that's going to be like not usable. I mean, maybe we can play with it a little bit, but I got to try and manage power versus torque. I mean, it's 1196 and 1113.
Yeah. Are you going to be doing boost by gear at all on this thing too?
Nah, we don't have it set up for that. I mean, we could at like the track or something, but the Holly doesn't. It only knows unless you like command it what gear it's in.
Gotcha,
so.
gotcha.
But I can do by speed and shit like that. So. That was on 22.4 0.5. I'm targeting 26 and it's just not, it's not making it.
So this is the spring.
It's this spring, yeah. I mean, it made 12 pounds on wastegate. Generally, you can like double like whatever it makes, and we're a little higher than double. Actually, we're almost right at double, basically. So it made 915 on the lowest setting and then 1205 on this setting. But for stock intake manifold, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how much more you want to go with the stock intake manifold too.
Yeah, not a ton. I'm just gonna let them drive it. So I mean, still made 1200 wheel on 56% E85, you know, so, and meth, but that's no ice in the tank. I mean, AITs are good. They are 101, and I just made 3 pulls in a row.
It's pretty good.
So,
It's about
start out at 91, so they only went up 10 degrees.
it's about 30 above ambient.
So, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, no, everything looks good.
Okay. Yeah, let him drive it. Let him hopefully not break it anymore. I'm not. You know what? I'm not even gonna say it.
No, we're not. It won't break. It ain't breaking.
I'm gonna jinx it.